Hello guys! What's up guys? Mi amigos, mi amigas na mga for today's video guys, we will do how to make the best pour over coffee everywhere. So guys, I will let you show what are the things that I'm preparing and what are the things that we need to do, we need to have so that we can start the pour over coffee. Coffee is life. So we will start right now guys and we will see. These are the things that I have. The first one is the cup, the mug guys. And I have this coffee. This coffee is the Folgers coffee guys. It's a medium dark. So it's ready ground. And the grade for French press and cold brew. So I'm gonna use this coffee guys. This is the ground coffee guys, the Folgers, right? And I have this one guys, this collapsible pour over coffee dripper. Yeah, this one. So I'm gonna just do like this and like that. There you go. This one. And I have the coffee filter paper. This one guys. What one? And so let's start. The first thing to do guys, you'll just put the mug here and then just put this collapsible pour over like a mold or like a cone shape. And you will put the coffee filter paper, this one. So just open up and just put it snug mo. Ilagay mo dyan. You just fill it up and then just open this coffee, ground coffee. It's very good guys. Oof. Ang bango po. Bango rabi. So guys, pag you will just put the coffee, it's about 16 grams or just one scoop of this, and coffee over with the scoop. So guys, like this guys, like that guys, and you just put here, and then after that. By the way guys, in for this scoop, maybe it's like 16 grams. 16 grams or 16 milligram? Maybe 16 milligram. Yeah. And then guys, I'll just wait for the hot water, and upon boiling up the water, it's in the kettle heater, so we'll just pour the boiling water on the top of the this collapsible pour over coffee filter. That's it. This one guys, this one. So this one guys, this is the hot water. It's a boiling hot water, and then we will just pour it up guys in a circular motion. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So guys, and that's it guys, and we will just wait guys for 3 minutes and 30 seconds to finish to pour this coffee, and we'll just wait guys. And you know what guys, the aroma is so good. It smells good guys. I love it. It's so good. So we'll just wait for about 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, so I will just update you guys, and we will see and how it works and how the taste is. We will just wait guys about 3 minutes and 30 seconds. It's only guys for 1 glass of water. It's about 8 ounce of water, and we will see guys. This is how it drips. So we will just wait until it will be finished. See guys, and that's the ground coffee there, and it's already filtered, and the smell is so good, and I can't wait to drink this one because as we all know, the coffee is life. So but first coffee. So we will start, and we will just wait guys to pour this coffee, and let's see. So there we go. See, so guys, the 3 minutes and 30 seconds is finished, so we will just remove this and put there, and we will drink guys. Coffee is life. Good morning guys. Oh, kalami. Kalami ay. So ngayon guys, nag-intermittent fasting ko ngayon kasi for about 16 hours. Yung last kong kain is at 8 in the evening. So hanggang 12 noon nito, ang oras ngayon kasi mga 7 pa ngayon. So I have 5 hours after na magla-lunch na ako, that's the time na ako kakain. So ngayon naman guys, I usually drink more water or tea or coffee. I drink coffee right now without sugar, without milk. You see guys? There you go. Ang sarap. There you go. Kasi guys, di ba yung before ako pumunta ng Pinas ng bakasyon last 3 weeks, yung timbang ko dati is 64. So ngayon, naging 69 na ako. Ang bigat ko na, ang taba-taba ko na, ang bigat-bigat ko na. Pero ngayon guys, intermittent fasting, exercise, tama yung tulog, tsaka tama yung kain, kung dapat gawin ko ngayon for about 1 month or 2 months. We will see guys. Para ma-rest yung pang natin. Bigat. By the way guys, thank you guys for watching, and please like, subscribe, and comment, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos to watch. And thank you for watching, and see you in my next vlog.